Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying hardware and enabling the radio so pairing can proceed. Open Settings or the Action Center and toggle Bluetooth on. On some laptops, you must press an FN key combination to enable the module. Once done, make sure the device you want to pair is powered and in discoverable mode so the laptop can see it. This immediate step prevents time-wasted hunting menus later and ensures both ends are ready to exchange a secure connection request. Next, you discover and pair. Open Bluetooth settings and choose Add Device or Pair New Device so the laptop scans nearby radios. When the target appears, select its name and watch for a PIN prompt. Confirm the code on both ends or accept the pairing request to complete authentication. Make sure you select the correct connection profile: audio for headphones, file transfer for sending files, or HID for keyboards, because that tells Windows which driver and permissions to use for the session. Finally, confirm the connection works by testing its primary function. Play audio for headphones, transfer a small file, or press keys for a paired keyboard. If performance is poor, make sure to adjust device priority and permissions in Bluetooth device properties and disable power saving on the adapter. If things go wrong, restart the Bluetooth service, remove and repair the device, then update drivers. This sequence resets profiles and often resolves interference, compatibility, or authentication errors without deeper diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.